800 AD, the Maya civilization had gone into decline. People fled the cities to start smaller settlements elsewhere. By this time, there were around 15 million Maya. Experts think that the population simply grew too big. Food shortages were common, and wars broke out between rival clans. Over time, the cities fell into ruin and were engulfed by the jungle.
In 1521, the Spanish conquistador Francisco de Montejo sent a request to the King of Spain. Montejo wanted to conquer the Yucatan, where the Maya lived. This proved to be more difficult than expected. Unlike other ancient civilizations, the Maya didn't have a main political center. The conquistadors would need to conquer each city individually if they wanted to take control of the whole area.
It was 170 years before the final Maya city fell. By then, the Maya population had already begun to suffer tremendously. The Spanish had brought smallpox and other European diseases with them to Mesoamerica. As a result, about 90% of the Maya population died.
When the Spanish took control, they forced the indigenous Maya population to convert to Christianity and to work as slaves. Anyone who continued to worship Maya gods was tortured. Sacred texts were burnt and statues were smashed.
The Yucatan remained a Spanish colony for over 100 years. During this time, the Maya kept their language and culture alive. When they broke from the Spanish in 1820, the Maya people were finally free. But life would never be the same again.